The modes available in Blender are living up here in the top left corner of the 3D viewport. Object mode is the default mode of Blender, and it basically allows you to make sort of basic changes to all objects. You can select your light, your camera, your cube, and you can move the things around, and you can rotate them and scale them up and down. But object mode always treats objects as a whole object. All the changes you do apply to the whole object. But edit mode, however, lets you change parts of your object. So let's look at our cube, have it selected, and press tab on the keyboard. That basically puts you into edit mode. Alternatively, you can go into this drop-down menu and choose edit mode. You see that the toolbar has changed because now we have all the mesh modeling tools available to us. And also this little menu here with vertex, edge, and face select modes. If you choose vertex select mode, you see that you can choose individual vertices, which are then making up the general shape of our object, and you can basically start modeling something out of this cube by just changing the location of each vertex. And now if I go back to object mode, this is the permanent shape of my object that I can then rotate, scale, and move around my scene as a whole object. So that's a quick overview of the difference between object and edit mode, but the more that you work in Blender, the more you will realize the difference between the two.